Now, dear students, we'll learn some other types of graphs through page number 6. N cubes are n-dimensional hypercube. So this is denoted by Qn is a graph that has vertices representing the 2 power n bit strings of length n. Two vertices are adjacent if and only if the bit string that they represent differ in exactly 1 bit position. Of course, you can observe here q1, q2, q3. Okay, so q1 having 0 1 vertices and q2 having the vertex 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So this is n cube, we can call it as n dimensional cube, hypercube. Now observe this q3 having a cube, all those are vertices 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So all these are vertices, we are naming that one. So this is called as a n cube or n dimensional hypercube. Now observe bipartite graph. Okay, so now very important graph is this is. Now a simple graph G is called a bipartite if its vertex V can be partitioned into two disjoint sets. We have to divide the total number of vertices into two sets, V1 and V2, such that every edge in the graph connects to a vertex in V1 and a vertex to in V2. That means we are dividing the two sets of vertices. So here there is an edge between a set of vertex V1 to a vertex in set V2. That means observe here V1 V2. So we are divided into two sets of vertices, V1 V2 V3 V4, small v1 this one. So these vertices are there in set V1, and VA VB VC, these vertices are there in V2. Now observe V1 is there is an edge from V1 to VA VB or VC. Okay, so to set of other vertices. Now observe V1 V2 V3 V4, they are not adjacent. Similarly, that means in the same set of vertices they are not adjacent. Now in V2 also VA VB VC are not adjacent. That means there is no edge incident to itself. Okay, so now edges are incident to a vertex set to a vertex in another set. So that is called as a bipartite graph. So the name itself indicates bipartite. So that no edge in G connects either two vertices in V1 or two vertices in V2. Then the graph V1 comma V2, a bipartite graph, is denoted by KMN. So for example, K43 means 4 vertices in first set, 3 vertices in second set. Now observe K43 graph. Okay. Now similarly K12 graph is there. Observe in first set V1 vertex is there, in second set U1 U2 vertices are there. Now V1 to U1 or U2 edges are there. Now this is denoted by K12. Now observe K15, that means labeled one vertex is there, that is adjacent to remaining vertices A, B, C, D, E. So 5 vertices. So that is denoted by K15. It is also called as star graph. Now K23 represents like this. K23, that means in first set 2 vertices are there, in second set 3 vertices are there, total number of vertices 5. Now observe from 1 to another set of vertices, so there is an edge. Similarly, some from the vertex 2 there is an edge to other set of vertices, K2 comma 3 will call. So this is called bipartite graph. And in the next one we will see complete bipartite graph. Observe what is complete bipartite graph. A complete bipartite graph, Km comma n, we will denote m comma n, is a bipartite graph. It is also a bipartite graph and if every vertex of V1 is connected to every vertex in V2. In the previous one, observe in V1 all vertices are not connected to all vertices in V2, but in complete bipartite graph every vertex of V1 is connected to every vertex in set V2. Now observe K. So 1, 2 are in the first set, A, B, C are in the second set. So total number of vertices 5. Now observe the vertex 1 is adjacent to every other vertex. Okay, observe A, B, C. Now observe the vertex 2 is adjacent to A, B, C, every vertex in other set. Adjacent means there is an edge from this vertex to every other vertex in the second set. Now observe K3 comma 3. K3 comma 3, observe in the first set 3 vertices are there, in the second set 3 vertices are there, A, B, C. Now observe every vertex is adjacent to every vertex of other set, like that 1, 2, 3 are also adjacent to other vertices. Now observe K3 comma 5 is a graph. Observe in the first set A, B, C vertices are there, in the second set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices are there. Observe every vertex of first set is adjacent to every vertex of other set. This is denoted K3 comma 5. Now note the order of Km comma n is m plus n. Order is nothing but number of vertices. Mod V is nothing but number of vertices. How many vertices will be there? M plus n. And the size is m into n. Size is nothing but number of edges, will denote that is size. So mod E, that is nothing but how many edges will be there? Observe m into n. Now C6 is a bipartite graph and K3 is not a bipartite graph. Observe in the previous examples. A simple graph is bipartite if and only if it is possible to assign one of two different colors to each vertex of the graph so that no two adjacent vertices are assigned the same color. Now we can see this one in color graph coloring in the last unit. Okay, so then only it will be called as a bipartite graph. Now observe a task for you. Are the graphs G and it means observe. You can divide these all the vertices into two sets. Okay, then there is an edge from a vertex from one set to another vertex to in another set. So like that is there is like that observe, and in H also you observe like that whether G and H are bipartite or not. Thank you.